It's a siren test in Springfield, Missouri. There's my red unit running. Yep, the Springfield tornado siren test. They're those 2001 sirens. I'm not sure what the exact model is, but they're a little loud here because when it's just right by the neighborhood. And I cannot even hear them from my room downstairs. Yeah, it's pretty loud. It is Wednesday. They test every second Wednesday of the month, and it's 10 a.m. There's an old Lennox. There's an old Lennox right there. And I was just working on mowing the lawn. I still have to do the backyard. I need to weedy some of that. Yep, so that's my air conditioners and that's my air conditioner and the tornado sirens going on. Oh. Wind down. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.